guys, we got the product red iPhone XR here in 128 gig, which also comes in a range of colours, and 64 and 256 gig. So it's a 6.1 inch LCD display, which means it's not OLED, but to be honest, you can tell, but it's not that bad. So the iPhone SE has like just an LCD. Anything below a 10 has an LCD, it's just pixels per inch. But anyway, has a IP67 water resistance, so it means you can go to a maximum depth of a meter, but only up to 30 minutes. So you don't have to worry about dropping it in the sink or the bath or whatever you do with your phone. Obviously, try not to drop it down the toilet. Video recording, 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, which is very decent camera for a phone. No real need for a separate camera unless you're like a photographer. To be honest, has a 7 megapixel true depth camera. The portrait mode is very good, but you do lack some features, obviously, because we do not have the telephoto lens on the iPhone XR. So with the back camera you can only use portrait mode on a person. However, the front camera has all the features as like the iPhone 8 Plus or the 10 or the 10s or the 10s Max. So we also have Animoji and Memoji here on the XR, and that's not like a massive feature, but it's still a nice feature if you ask me. Obviously, we now have Face ID instead of Touch ID, which is, according to Apple, more secure than Touch ID. I can't remember how much they quoted by, but it was quite a lot more secure than Touch ID. You also have wireless charging on the back of the phone, so you can listen to music at the same time if you're using those headphones that Apple provided you. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.